check this out. You have this burning ball of fire flying through space. A huge ice, some sort of ice asteroid or ice chunk of water flying through space. Slams into this fireball. Instantly vaporizes for the most part, creates a shield all around the outside of this planet. I mean, this fireball. Creates a huge cloud cover of water vapor. As this continues to travel, this is fireball that's now shielded in a huge cloud of water vapor. It's traveling through space. It's shedding hydrogen off of this water vapor that's all the way around, right? So it's shedding hydrogen, and for some reason the hydrogen get out of the magnetic field, or the oxygen just tends to go in to go bond with something else and to make an ozone, or to start an atmosphere going. So the oxygen's being shed in, the hydrogen's coming out, and as this hydrogen comes out, it's igniting in a trail behind this. So you have this little extremely big ball of hydrogen burning out right here. For some reason, so as the hydrogen's coming out and ignites from the heat, as this heat now coming from the outside of the cloud cover starts burning a hole into this cloud cover, it starts to burn a puddle. So this is orbiting this, and this here is orbiting like this, and it's doing a small pattern, then it gets larger pattern, and then smaller, and then larger as it's moving behind it, and that's why it burns. And it burns in an outer ring and then an inner ring, and it moves in between throughout the whole year. And that's why we have our seasons the way they are. You draw the planet. So as this cloud cover is coming off and the planet is cooling inside, you get a crust layer. So as it's traveling through space, and now that everything underneath, there's probably a crustal plate all the way around, possibly, as it cooled, and the ice, that water vapor melted onto this larger piece of planet. Now we're sitting right here, little patches of land that come up and they sit in this melted water where the sun melts, and all of this out here would be what we call Antarctica. It's really just the edge of this ice sheet that's around this huge larger planet. And so north is here, east and west, right, west, into the east. Oops. And then everything out here is south. If we never even explored out of that far. If this is just like a theory. And I don't believe it, but it's a possibility. And so the sun just keeps this as in peace, and we're still traveling, and still, because it's still feeding out, hydrogen is still escaping from our atmosphere, I think. It's number one on it's a proton and an electron. It's the very beginning of elements. So it escapes out of the gravitation, I think, somehow, and then fuels this burning sun, and the oxygen stays in. I think it's kind of funny.